single stock ETFs. I'm Bob Pisani. The first U.S. single stock ETFs launched at the end of last week. Access launched 8 ETFs that enable an investor to make bullish or bearish bets on 5 well-known big-cap companies: Tesla, NVIDIA, PayPal, Nike, and Pfizer. How do they work? Let's ask Greg Bassick. He's the CEO of Access Investments. Greg, these are the first single stock ETFs in the U.S. There's 8 of them. Tell us how they work and what are you getting when you buy these ETFs?
Sure, Bob. Well, these ETFs are designed to provide amplified exposure on single stocks, as you said, stocks like Tesla, NVIDIA, and others. And they're designed for active traders that are looking to make tactical trading decisions on a daily basis. And as this market has matured for leveraged ETFs, we're excited to bring the single stock ETF access to the U.S. market.
So, as always, we say this all the time with leverage and inverse products, Greg, they reset every single day. So even after a few days, the actual returns might differ. Now, the SEC has not been particularly friendly to these products in the past, Greg. And just last week, the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, made a comment when these products were about to be launched. And here's what he said: they are risky products for investors and potentially for the markets as well. Other SEC officials have expressed concerns as well. Do these products pose some kind of risk to investors and to the markets? And have you addressed the SEC's concerns?
Well, we have. We believe that it all comes down to education. And we feel strongly about that every investment has to be matched to not only the investor's investment objective, but also the investor's level of skill and expertise. And that's why these products specifically are designed for active traders who already are trading based on single-day events and earnings announcements and other developments that impact specific companies on a daily basis. So we are very focused on investor education and agree with the premise that these are not for all investors, but for active traders who are looking to make those tactical decisions on a daily basis. We think these are important tools.
These are the first leveraged and inverse single stock ETFs available, folks. So we're going to have a lot more on how these single stock futures actually work, single stock ETFs work, and what other single stock ETFs are coming down the pike. There's many more of them coming at 1 p.m. Eastern time on ETF Edge. Greg will be joined by Dave Naughty. He's the financial futurist at VettaFi. ETFEdge.cnbc.com. Halftime, back right after this.